KTPH Hospital is a 590-bed general hospital in the north of Singapore. It opened in 2010, and we now see about 400 patients a day in our A&E, around 1,500 patients in our outpatient clinic daily, and our average bed occupancy rate is 93%. So we are running at full tilt most of the time. It was specifically designed to create healthy environment for patients, staff, and visitors while reducing harm to the environment. So reducing energy consumption, conserving water, and recycling where possible have been a priority since the planning stage. To achieve a more environmentally friendly hospital, we were prepared to buy a more efficient equipment at the outset, which was sometimes a little bit expensive but has resulted in long-term cost saving. The major energy consumption is from the air conditioning, and it constitutes 33%. Our daily temperature in Singapore is ranging between 27 and 32 degrees. Other major sources of energy usage from this chart are lighting, office equipment, and medical equipment. Our first decision was to orientate the hospital in a northeast-southwest position to reduce exposure to direct sunlight, lowering demand on the air conditioning system and for ceiling fans. Being located next to a pond also helps because it cools the air and improves natural ventilation. Careful sizing of the choice of air conditioning room equipment has one of the biggest impact on our energy consumption. For the engineers among you, this gray piece of equipment is the chiller. And this green equipment is chill water pump. The air conditioning use fan coil unit instead of diffuser, so that unit can be switched off when rooms are vacant so as to reduce energy wastage. Mechanical fan pumps into and out of the car park through the white ducts you can see on the ceiling. To reduce energy use, the fans are automatically switched off between 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. where the car park is rarely used. This simple change costs nothing to implement but saves thousands of dollars a year. Similarly, in the private single room wards, the aircon automatically turns off when the window is open, so patients can enjoy the fresh air and the ceiling fan if they want natural ventilation without wasting aircon. All lighting in the main areas are T5 strip light, which are more energy efficient than conventional T8 lighting strip. We also have motion sensor in less used areas like toilet and staircase, so light only go on when in use. The escalator also have a start sensor, so there is no patient, the escalator will not move. And the lift have a variable speed drive motor, which is more energy efficient than the usual type. We have 6 rooftop gardens, including our own farm. This reduces the indoor temperature by 1 degree, reducing the burden on the aircon. Non-circulated oil aircon from operating theatre is filtered, then pumped out into the garden to make it more cooling for patients who are walking through. The hospital's Green Committee has put reminder on all light switches in a meeting room and next to electric sockets to encourage staff to turn off light and electrical items when not in use. We don't just conserve energy, we harness solar energy to help to offset our carbon footprint. Solar panel on our rooftop heat out 21,000 liters of hot water every day for bathing our patients and in the kitchen areas. Water is a particular concern in Singapore because we have no natural supply of other than rainwater. All fresh water is piped in from Malaysia, so having water also saves money. At the hospital, we use 3 types of water. Potable, which is drinking grade. New water, which is recycled water that's treated and sold for industry use, and lastly, pond water. Potable water is used in a ward for all clinical use and for human consumption. To reduce wastage, all water fixtures have auto sensors and rating of very good or excellent from the water efficiency labeling scheme from our environmental agency. The air-con cooling towers are a major use of water, but it does not need to be drinking water quality, so we use new water. This is recycled water that is treated and sold for industry use. It is also used for flushing toilets throughout the hospital. We also recover and recycle our own water. The condensation water from our air handling unit is collected and used for watering our gardens. We are fortunate to have a good pond on our doorstep which provides a calming environment for our patients, but it also helps create a healing environment inside our hospital. Pond water is pumped into the hospital and filtered and used for waterfall and to water the plant. A sprinkler system is timed to come on at 8 a.m. and 4 p.m., but a rain sensor will switch it off if it rains. All staff are encouraged to recycle. Bins are available on all levels at the outpatient clinic and throughout the ground floor of the hospital. Admin staff are also encouraged to print double-sided and to recycle their paper. Last year, we recycled 5 tons of paper. This is our rooftop, where our volunteers grow fruits and vegetables. The plants are fertilized using compost leaf litter, which is swept up around the hospital. Even the plant pots used for hydroponic gardening are recycled bottles and polystyrene boxes from fish markets. The fruits and vegetables are sold to staff and the money goes to the Green Committee to pay for gardening projects. This healthy environment also results in healthy saving. From all our projects, we save at least 1 million Singapore dollar on our energy and water bills every year. That's about $750 million US. We hope that by sharing our green initiative, we can encourage other hospitals to adopt greener practices so together we can make our institution a healthier and healing environment for staff, visitors, and most importantly, our patients.